All right, Jersey Jaguar, back at you with another jersey unboxing and review. This time it's going to be a 2023 intermiamicf Messi jersey. It's the home heartbeat pink kit. Guys, it's the player authentic version. I'm going to have some sizing, how it fits, close-up details, a final review, and some other stuff. Let's get to it now. All right, so let's start with the details on the front and top of the jersey. So guys, obviously we're gonna have everything here is gonna be heat pressed vinyl onto the jersey because this is the player authentic version. The fan versions have these stitched details, but this is going to be all heat pressed on. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and start with the sponsors. On the front, we have the XPTO sponsor. On the sleeve, we're going to have the Apple TV sponsor, and then we're going to have a hint of white in the MLS Shield logo. All right, guys, going to the opposite side, we are going to have the Frucht Group sponsor, again, all in black. Now for the logos, we're going to have that standard Adidas Player Authentic Version logo right here, which feels almost like rubber, hard plastic. And that same material is going to be here on the intermiamicf Football Club, and it says Club International de Football. All right, guys, and there's different layers to it, guys. It feels raised in some parts. It has texture. It is really nice. Then at the bottom, it says 2022, 2023. So guys, this is a older model, but this is the one the players wear. If you see on the photo right here, it is the same tagging. All right, guys, it is aero-ready material. And then over here on the opposite side, we are going to have a heartbeat little logo. All right, guys. Now, in terms of the material, it is very light. The material on the front, on the top of the sleeves, and on the collar is all going to be the same. And obviously, we have a split collar right here. On the bottom of the sleeves, it's going to be the same material as the back and as the top of the shoulders. All right, guys, and look closely right here at the bottom of the sleeve. We do have a heartbeat design that you would find on a heartbeat monitor, as well as at the bottom, so that's kind of cool. And then obviously per Adidas, we do have the typical 3 stripes. Now in terms of the neck tagging, guys, it's all heat pressed on. This is a size large, again, player version authentic. I do want to note that the La Noche away kit is a 23-24, so it's going to have different tagging on the bottom as well as on the top, and that one is actually going to be slim fit. Keep that in mind if you're looking to buy one of these, all right? This is standard. The black La Noche away kit is going to be slim fit. I don't know why they do that. All right, and on the back of this jersey, like I said, it's going to be a different material than the front and the rest of the jersey. Guys, it is a thin perforated material. And on the La Noche kit, that has an even different material on the back than this one does. All right, guys, in terms of name and number, we got the MLS font. Messi number 10, and again, it's black and it's heat pressed onto the jersey, not sewn in. And on the top right here, we're going to have Libertad para soñar. In Spanish, that means freedom to dream. All right, so that's something specific that Miami has. All right, and real quick, I just want to show you the price tags first. There's the hologram, QR tag. And finally, the wash tags. All right, so it's time for the measurements part of the video. Now, guys, I'll be reading these off in inches. However, for my international friends, I'll be having centimeters as well. Let's get to it. All right, and kicking things off, the pit to pit, meaning the chest measurement, we're going to have 22¼ inches. Now, just below the chest, at the body, we're going to have 22 inches, and at the waist, we're going to have 22 inches. So there is a very, very slight taper, but not much at all. Now, top to bottom, meaning how long the jersey is, we're going to have 31¼ inches. From the inside collar of the sleeve to the shoulder hem, we are going to have 6½ inches. From that shoulder hem to the bottom of the sleeve, we're going to have 8 inches. That means the total sleeve length from the inside of the collar to the bottom of the sleeve is going to be 14½ inches. All right, so it's time to show you how this jersey fits. Now guys, it is a men's Adidas player authentic version in a size large. As for myself, I'm a little over 6'2", so we'll say about 189 centimeters. I'm around 185 pounds, just over 84 kilograms, 13.3 stone. Alright, so it's time for a final review of the jersey. Now before I do that, guys, I'd like to say that I would appreciate a like and subscribe if you've been enjoying my content and this video. It helps me in the channel grow. Alright, so I'm going to give this jersey a lowest score of 9 and a highest score of 9.5. I'll give it an average of 9.25. I think it's very fair. Very little needs to be changed on this jersey. I'm cool with it being as is with no changes at all. This collar looks absolutely awesome with the shade of pink, and the shade of pink goes perfect for Miami. All right, guys. Also, it is not overwhelming. It's not bright. It's not fuchsia, which that would have been cool for a third jersey. But for the primary jersey, this pink is awesome to be wearing on a regular basis and for Messi to debut in. Now, we have the black details, and we even have subtle white details here and there to create an awesome balance. I love the heartbeat design on the sleeves, and I love that black heartbeat design at the bottom of the jersey. Absolutely awesome jersey, guys. This one is a must get. And you know what? In my original preview of these two jerseys, check the video out. I had the black one better, but you know what? Seeing them both in person, I'm definitely going with the pink one. You guys got to get it. All right, and that's my review of the intermiamicf Messi home heartbeat kit. Again, guys, it was the player version. Check out my video of the La Noche black away kit, guys. I have it up. Check it out. I'll see you then.